So they give you this picture, and let's just assume that it's cut up into equal pieces. If I were to ask you to write this as a fraction, what fraction of this pie is shaded in? Yes. 1 out of 10, which we call 1/10. Now, when we deal with decimals, our numbers are based on the number 10, because how many fingers do we have and thumbs? 10. So you start with the first number, which is 0, and then you go through 9. Then the next number is going to be a combination of anything from 0 through 9. Now, when we write our numbers down, for example, the year is 2017. That's what we call the ones place, or the units, tens place, hundreds place, so on and so forth. Now, in the Star Trek universe, when they say it's something point something 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 like 832, we start here with the ones. On this side it says tens, but now and this side here, it's just cutting it up into pieces. So this is the 10th place. This is the 100th. The next one is the 1000th. Now, if I were to look at a number like this, for example, 0.08, or let's just say this. Let's just stick with 0.1. Where is that 1? 0.1 or 0.1. Where is that 1 found? If you look here, after the decimal place, it's called the 10th place. So this is the 10th place. So that means this is called 1/10, correct? This is also called 1/10, yes? So that must mean then that 1 over 10 is the exact same thing as 0.1. Because if this 1 is in the 10th place, and you say it, call it 1/10, and this is also called 1/10, that means they have to be the same. How would I write that as a fraction? Yes?
3/10.
All right. 3/10, which we called 3/10. Well, if that's the case, how would I write this as a decimal then? Yes, ma'am.
0.3.
Yeah, 3. Let's check. That's the ones place. That's the 10th. Oh, good. So you want the 3 in the 10th place. So yes, 3 over 10 is the same as 0.3. Ooh. So we got this box, and we're going to cut it in half. 1 over 2 is 1/2. But if I look at decimal numbers, you have your decimal place, you have a 10th, you have a 100th, and a 1000th, but there's no 2's place, is there? Oh no, I'm in trouble. What do? I can't turn this fraction into a decimal. What must be done? Yes, ma'am. This 2, you want to turn the 2 into a 10. So if you can turn the 2 into a 10, then you can write it as a decimal. So let's see if we can do that. 1 over 2. How do I turn a 2 into a 10? Yes, sir.
Multiply by 5.
Ah, so I look at this. That's where that 5 comes from, I guess. So 2 times 5 is equal to 10, isn't it?
Yeah.
But when you mess with a fraction, whatever you do to the bottom, you have to treat the top the same way. So if I multiply the bottom by 5, what do I multiply the top by?
5.
Times 5. So this is written as 5 over 10. Oh. So now, 1/2 is the same as what decimal? 0.5. To go back to this, if I were to use this as a picture, to turn the bottom into a 10, I'll have to cut this up into 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I look at this, now in just the picture, how many pieces are shaded?
5.
1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5. And how many pieces are there all together?
10.
Oh, 10. There you go. Well, ladies and gentlemen in YouTube land, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you might like this one right here. Otherwise, you can try my last one over here. But please don't forget to subscribe so that way you can get updates whenever a new video comes out. Have a great day!
Ding dong.